Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to our Christmas crafting on the 25th. I know it's a little bit later in the day, but I just was not, I haven't slept well. My son woke up early yesterday and he woke up early again today. So I haven't been sleeping well. But now he's waking up, which is disturbing my morning mojo. But that's okay. Tomorrow's school. So here we are. Now I have these little plastic bows that have a hole at the top right here. So I thought it'd be really cute to make like two pair earrings, but I pulled out more than that. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out some jewelry findings, some eye pins, head pins or eye pins, and we need four right now. I bought these from a local spot. It was 48 for $2. Now I kind of felt like that might have been too much at the time, but you know what? It's okay. It is okay. And then what I thought we would do, I was looking for something that was like snazzy, right? Some snazzy colors. I didn't see any snazzy colors, so I thought we'd go with the traditional um, green and red colors. Over here, I got the seed beads, a little bit of seed beading. Over here, not a bunch. We don't need that many. So we're gonna go two, because I don't want to have to put all these back into the container. And this red looks kind of pink, but I think it'll be cute. So we're gonna go green, red, green. Like that. Then we'll have, yeah, so that's going to look good. I think it's going to look okay. All right, and then we're going to go green, red, green. Yep, I think that's going to be good. And then so we'll do this one more time together. Green, red, green, our bead, green. Don't want to go. Red, green. That's going to be good, okay? Now, the next one, I think we'll just get a little bit more fancy and we'll change the color. So let's change the color to let's go with this color. This is like a yellow gold color. My only concern is it going to fit over this piece? Let's see how it looks. Yeah. All right, after careful consideration and to keep my stress level low, I just want to show y'all this bead is too big. Too big, and I don't want to stress out about it. So what we're going to do is pluck this little plastic piece off that's in the way. And we're going to go red, green, red, bow. And I think we're going to turn this bow upside down. Oh, we can't. Because it doesn't have a, never mind, eye pin on the other side. So we're going to go red, green, red. Rinse and repeat. All right, favorite part, right? Make our little head pin, eye pin. Now this wire is a bit on the loose side, y'all. It's very pliable, is what I'm saying. It turned out pretty. Ooh, looks like little butterflies, but they're not. Uh-oh. That one isn't done. So let's go ahead and fix that. Somebody got a little bit too overzealous. We got red, green, red going on. Red, green, red. Okay. Make sure you put that top on because if not, you'll have spilt beets all over the floor. And if your household is anything like my household, I won't get no help. Even though I knocked it over, but still. And this just fell off. Oh, what's going on? What is going on? Okay. You know what? Let's just. I'll do one more and then I'll fight with this on my own. This is probably the smarter way to do it, the less funny way, the more serious. And I just need to adjust that one because it did not turn over. But we'll get all of these fixed and then come back and put our jump ring and ear wire on. All right, so now we're going to take our jump rings. If you haven't did this before, jump rings should be twisted and not pulled apart. So you want to twist them apart, like twisting the night away. You want to twist like that. And you can do it with your hand, your fingers. But my dexterity is becoming a little bit more questionable as of late. So it's just easier to have it secured like that. And then I got these from Hobby Lobby or Michaels. I think these were Hobby Lobby. And I got four. I'm going to pull out four. One, two, three, four. Okay. You're going to take this. And this one's a little crooked. I mean, it's a bulk bag, so that's what you get. Okay. Then we're going to take our, what is this called? Jump ring. And this neck is a little bit too loosey goosey for me. So what I'm going to do is just adjust it a little bit. So what I did is I just pushed it back onto its natural line. And then just like that. I'm going to pick this back up. And here we go. Now I'm twisting it back on itself. And what I'm trying to make sure is that the dot, the tip to tip is connected. Tip to tip. Because you don't want it to really get snagged on any of your hair, clothing. You know, some people, when you're laying out your clothes, you may lay everything out to look at the outfit, and you definitely don't want your earrings to be the part that ruins the whole outfit. So we're going to just repeat that step. You know, when you're making Christmas crafts items, it doesn't have to be something super elaborate. It could be something as simple as this if you're going to go to a little party, or some people I know are in the holiday spirit, and you know, people put their Christmas tree up the day before Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, on Thanksgiving. Some people had it as a tradition. I don't know about me. I've had my tree up the day before Christmas, the day after Christmas, 2 weeks before. Um, this jump ring is bent. So we're going to just go to another one. The circle was oval, so it wasn't even a real circle. It's okay. I'll just take out another one. And these are very easy to do. You know, like these are quick and simple little projects you could do. Just squeeze that like that. Still a little bit rough, but I'll work on that off camera. And then this one. This is with our red, green, red. So if you have, you know, two children that wear earrings, or maybe you're into patterns like that, that would be something that you could definitely think of. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust all this and then we'll come back and take a closer look at them. All right, so I'm going to show you how I have been doing my cards, my ear cards lately. I usually measure this out because this is usually a 6 by 6 sheet of paper. And then what I do is I just take it and go 6, 2, 2, and 2, or 3, 3, 3, or 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. And then I just cut it in half. But today we're going to do something, we're getting fancy. Yep, we just got real fancy. Almost even. Ooh, getting very good at that, I guess. And so now I'm just going to push these down together. Got this from online. Paper too thick. Let's go with a thinner sheet. And for some reason, I don't want to put it in there properly. And then we just make sure we have some on both sides. There we go. There we go. If you have small kids or someone that would like to assist you, you can definitely do that. And so in between, I think this was probably a 2 by 6. So in between this paper, what you could do is just put your punch in the center. If you have a little booth or you have a craft show coming up, it's very cost effective that you can make this. So thanks to Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage, or Dahlia Designs Jewelry More. Deb, she suggested that I get my own punch. And I had went to Michael's and they didn't have any. And I asked them, it showed that they had online, but it was out of stock. So anyway, this is what we have created today. I hope that you have enjoyed the journey. And I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.